Hi guys, I'm Abhishek and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can give your customer an option to cancel a order in WooCommerce store. So as you know, by default there is no option to cancel order once it is placed in WooCommerce website. So let me show you an example. So I have a order in my cart and I want to go to checkout page and then let me place the order. Now the order is received. I can cancel this order once the order is placed. So let me go to my account page, go to orders, and there is no option to cancel this order. Let me click on view. So I want to give customer a cancel option. So for this you can use a plugin like WC cancel order. So let me quickly install this plugin. So let's go to plugin, add a plugin. Let's install this plugin WC cancel. Here is the plugin. Let's quickly install and activate it. Now you will see a new option in your WooCommerce tab, WC cancel. Here you can see all the cancel order in your dashboard. So let me go to the order page and let me refresh it. And you can see now we have a new option to cancel the order. Let me go to order section and we have a cancel request. So let me click on that and customer have to give a reason and let me click on confirm cancel. Now the cancellation request is placed and the order is not cancelled yet. The cancel request is sent. Now let's go to WooCommerce dashboard. Now admin has an option to cancel this order or decline this request as well. So you can see this is a cancel request and you can see the action. So you can see the cancellation details, why customer want to cancel this order, and you can approve it or you can decline it. So let me click on approve request, confirm. Now the order is cancelled. So if you go to the order page and refresh it, now the status is changed to cancel. So this is how you can allow your customer to cancel an order in WooCommerce store. So you have all the controls. So you can approve the cancel request or you can decline the cancel request. So if the order is already shipped and reached to destination, then you can decline the cancellation request. And if the request is genuine, then you can cancel the order as well. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and for more WooCommerce tutorials like this, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.